How to fix WhatsApp couldn't link device problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp couldn't link device problem, please try again later in WhatsApp. Then first make sure that you have an internet connection on both the devices. In the device in which you have your QR and on the other device where you will scan the QR. Once you have your internet connection, then the second solution is you just need simply open up your WhatsApp or tap and hold on to that WhatsApp for a few seconds. Go with the app info, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your permissions and make sure that you allowed all of the permissions on your WhatsApp, like phone, photos and videos, SMS, nearby devices, music and audio, microphone, location, camera, call logs, everything. Make sure that you've allowed all of, select each and every option and then tap on allow. And this might fix your problem. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can uninstall your WhatsApp and then again install it and log into your account, and it might fix your problem. Or you can just simply go and restart your device. So press and hold on to that power button and restart. After restarting, you can open up your WhatsApp, go with the top right which has that three dots, and then tap on link devices, tap on link a device, and then unlock it, scan the QR code, and your device will be linked. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.